Hi everyone. So today I'm going to review the Crush lipsticks by The Body Shop. So I have been using these lipsticks for the past 12 months. I've collected almost 7 of these lipsticks here. So I just thought that because I like them a lot, I'll just do a quick review for you all. So just to talk about certain of the parameters of the Body Shop lipsticks. So first of all, when I talk about the packaging, it comes in this kind of a sleek packaging, a sleek retractable packaging. So these are both the similar kind of lipsticks, but then one is color coded and the other one is a silver color. I like the sleek packaging that it has. Secondly, if I talk about the texture, it has a bit of a balmy texture, and because it's enriched with essential oils and other things. I'll put the ingredients down below, what all the Body Shop lipstick contains as well, which again, because of the creamy and moisturizing texture, it brings me to the point that these lipsticks, as you can see, I'm wearing one on my lips as well, are very much what shall I say, glossy and not very matte. Of course you can make them matte, but otherwise they're very glossy. Now I personally am a big fan of glossy lipsticks, though matte lipsticks are pretty much in vogue these days, but I am myself a very glossy lipstick kind of a person. But you can easily make these matte. But again, if you're wearing it as a daily wear, it actually moisturizes your lips pretty well. So that is something that I really like about it, and it is well pigmented. That is not an issue. Fourthly, they're priced at around 600 rupees. I'll definitely mention the exact price of the lipsticks, but it's priced around 600 rupees. But not to worry, mostly Body Shop keeps having a sale, and I bought most of these lipsticks. I have 7 of them, as I mentioned. I've bought most of these lipsticks in a sale, in a 50% sale. So I got them at around 300 kind of odd rupees. So I'll just start with the reviews. So this is the first lipstick that I'm talking about. The shade is 05. Now they do not name their shades, on the packaging anywhere. They name it on the label. So I've already taken out the label because I have to open the lipstick. So I'll mention the shade names also down below. I'll check from their website and mention. This is the shade that I'm wearing. It's a very good rose pink nude kind of a shade. I'll also swatch it. It's a very nice rose pink shade. So this is how the shade looks. This is how it's looking on my lips and the swatch. It is a very nice go-to daily wear kind of a shade. So the second shade that I have here is a violet kind of a shade that I'm already wearing. So I'll wear all these shades and show you how they're looking on my lips. This is shade number 235. This is also from their Color Crush range. This is how the shade is looking. This was the packaging. This is how the shade is. I'll just swatch it as well. So this is next to the A05 shade. As you can see, this is a pretty rose pink color, and this has some violet undertones to it. And you can watch it on my lips as well. Pardon me if the area around my lips is a little red, because as you can understand, I'm filming the video and removing the lipstick, so that's why. I like this color. This is also, let's say, a very everyday kind of a wear, plus it looks very good in evenings, and especially with a violet dress or a light pink dress. This kind of color looks really good. Not to mention, this is my favorite color as well in most lipsticks. So the third one that I have here, as you can see, is a blood red color. This is how the shade is. This is how it's sticking on my lips, and here is the swatch. This is kind of blood red with orange undertones to it, as you can see on my lips as well, if I can put it in focus. So this is the shade number 101, and this is, let's say, you can see there's even the color has pretty orange undertones to it. They also have a shade which I'll show you, which has more of maroon undertones, more of a berry shade. Just to mention, I have 7 lipsticks. I have 6. There was a repetition that I had, so I removed it. So this was the third one. So the fourth shade that I have is a berry red shade, which is shade number 125. This is the shade. This is how it's looking on my lips, and I'll just swatch it again. Next to the red with the orange undertones, as you can see, this has very much orange undertones. This is much of berry undertone, as you can see. So this is the hot red kind of a color, which you can wear with an LBD or with anything which is black, and even in Indian functions, this is a color which will go really well with the Indian outfits. So this was the fourth shade. Now the fifth shade that I have is a coffee shade. I know it's looking very glossy, but I've just applied it. So after 5-10 minutes, it starts looking okay. This is how the shade is looking. Now, I don't know why coffee colors have gone out of fashion. I really like coffee colors. They used to look very good with the browns that you have, or with the goldens, the all the Indian wear. So I really like it. Also, it looks very good with smoky eyes in certain of the looks. So this is how it's looking on my lips, and here is the swatch. It's very coffee brown kind of a color. Although not very much in vogue, but again a personal favorite. And it doesn't look this glossy. If I just, can matte it a little, I'll just try it. So this is how it's looking after a little bit of a matting, which I've just done on a runtime basis. And it's a personal favorite again. So if you can really skip this color, but again, it's a personal favorite, so I have it in my wardrobe. And here comes the sixth shade. I started with a nude, so I'm ending also with a nude color. So this is how the shade is. This is also a brown nude kind of a color. This is shade number 325. I'll swatch it again. So this is how the shade is looking. As you can see, these two are like the nudes, go-to nudes that are there. Of course, this is a bit balmy, and of course with my look it's looking a little washed out, but in case you have you dress it up with the correct look with smoky eyes, or in case you want to just put a lip balm kind of a look, this would look really good. And first of all, I really like this lipstick as well, because it is very balmy, and again I mostly use it if I'm not feeling like wearing any makeup. I'll just dab this on. It works as good as a colored lipstick and a lip gloss both. So this is how the look. This is how it's looking on my lips. This is how the swatches. These are the 6 swatches that I showed you. So this is the rose pink, the violet, the blood red, the berry red, the coffee, and the nude, which is the last one. So I'll definitely you can buy them from any Body Shop store, or from the Body Shop store online as well, the Body Shop website. And as I said, they're priced at around 600 bucks, but definitely you can get them at discounts. I got all of these 7 at 300 each because there was a 50% sale going on. And this is all. If you're a fan of glossy lipsticks, or if you want something which is not just giving you color, but giving you some moisturization and some oil also on the lips, because I have really dry lips, so it works really well for me. You can go for any of these colors, and I'll list down all the color names, as well as they have specific names. They have not put a label on their lipsticks, and the shade number as well as the prices. So that is all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Have a really nice day. Bye.